Welcome to a new tutorial. Have you ever wondered how to contribute to GitHub? Today we will learn how to make our first contribution. When you find an issue or something you want to contribute, the first step is to fork the repository and create a new branch. Click here to fork the repository. Each time you want to make a contribution, you will need to create a new branch, and for every issue in PR, we want to make a new one. Then click on the current branch and after, view all branches. Now click Create a new branch. You can name this branch something in connection with the contribution you plan to make. I will call mine Example Branch. Select your branch before making any changes. Now you can make any modification needed. Once you're finished, you will first need to commit the modification to your branch. You must always make a clear title in the commit and list any changes. You will also need to sign off each commit by writing your name and email associated with your account. Keep your commits simple and clean. Once we've committed the changes, we need to create a pull request. Make sure to select your branch carefully. At Vanus, we encourage all pull requests to follow the conventional commit specification. I will leave the document links below. In our next video, I will teach you how to make a pull request directly from your IDE. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already.